Hi, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga post ng Celebrity Hub. Look, Posh Nails ambassadors Barbie Forteza, Rochelle Pangilinan, Sofia Fablo, and Ashley Ortega bought the sparkle as they grace the grand opening of the newest Posh Nails branch in Quezon City. Here they are together with Posh Nails President Catherine Ilacad along with other ambassadors. At nandyan nga guys si Christine Reyes. Ayan na nga guys, yung pictures nila magkakasama. At ito naman yung picture ni Barbie at saka ni Miss Christine Reyes. At yan kasama sa gitna si Christine at saka si Barbie sa ribbon cutting. At nandun nga si Rochelle yung kanyang tiyahin. At suki nga si Barbie ng Posh Nails. Sabi niya, Posh Nails grand opening new location, ground floor CSB building 119 South Drive, Loscano, Diliman, Quezon City. Uy, malapit sa Uy, sa Diliman din yung Kuya Korea ni David, di ba, sa UP Town. So malapit na lang sila. Wala lang. Ayun na nga, Miss Cat Ilacad and Barbie Forteza. At ito na nga, more pictures. Ayun na nga si Ashley, si Christine, at saka si Barbie, at saka Miss Cat Ilacad. At sabi ni Barbie, when chika at Posh Nails is life, haha, ang seryoso ng usapan. At ito naman post ni Miss Rochelle Pangilinan. Ayan na nga, ribbon cutting with the beautiful Miss Christine Reyes and Sofia Pablo. Ayan. So, cheers for more years, Posh Nails. Love you, Cat Ilacad. Ayan. Get out. Si Miss Rochelle Pangilinan. Si Miss Rochelle ayan, nag-usap yung magtiya. Grabe. At ito na nga, post ni Gautao Utao sa Twitter. Sabi niya, what's next for Barda after Pulang Araw? Here's what David Licauco, Handler, Isabel Buratao said in her recent live on TikTok. So sabi, no Barda TV series or project yet after Pulang Araw, but they still have ongoing project. Actually, endorsement yung sinabi ni Malito. Ongoing project, yung Pulang Araw lang, yun lang. Endorsement yung sinabi niya. Tapos, Barda will fly to Thailand for a shoot. Plus endorsement together. At per sub, marami daw sila pagsasamahan. Yun nga, mga endorsement lang. And not in the video, Isabel's not aware of any rumors. Parker personnel who allegedly said that Barda will be separated soon. At actually, nag-TikTok live si Miss Isabel ngayong gabi. At sabi nga niya, napagalitan daw siya ng mga higher-ups niya kasi nag-overshare daw siya. Parang nagkaroon daw siya ng written warning. So anyway, next naman ay nag-post si Barbie. Actually si Angge, nag-reply siya. So sabi ni Angge, fun fact, ang buong eksena ng hulihan ng mga Hapon sa kalsada hanggang sa sumakay si Adelina sa truck ay inabot ng 3 taping days para matapos. Bakit? Kasi maulan. Tapos respond naman si Barbie ng ha. At ito naman napaka-cute na post ng Kimans. How can Kimans daily UB protect with SPF 50 make you unstoppable? Ayun naman, napaka-cute na si David. At ito na nga ang napakagwapo rin na si Dennis Trillo na inaabangan ko yung character sa Pulang Araw. Siya yung magbibigay buhay. At next naman ay post ng Honda Philippines. Illuminate the road with the all-new Winner X ABS Premium Variant Matte Glass Galaxy Black Metallic. The Sports Cub's dynamic color delivers a unique and refined elegance, making a bold statement like a true champion. You can stand out on the road when you get one today. Ayun na nga, another super cute and super handsome picture ni David. At next naman ay parang merong Save the Children advocate sila Barbie at saka si David. At meron silang interview with Nelson Canlas na hindi pa pinapalabas sa TV guys, na nakaganyan sila. At next naman ay yung Tag Media Awards. Your award is now ready for shipment. Deal with Barbie Forteza. Tag 25 under 25 honoring the mover and shakers of this generation. Alam ko si Barbie, pangalawa niya ng Tag Award to kasi alam ko nanalo siya best love team yata with Barda. Parang silver yata sila. At next naman is David Licauco for anti-piracy. Let's watch this.
When you access pirate sites, minsan nakapagbigay ka na pa ng sensitive information na hindi mo namamalayan. Kaya mag-iingat po tayo online. Stream responsibly and fight piracy.
And next is Barbie Forteza.
Pirate sites may contain malware that infects your devices. Manood lang sa legal streaming platforms and mag-download ng content only from authorized sources. Stream responsibly and fight piracy.
Ayun na nga, so huwag kayong mag-stream sa kung ano-anong website lang. At next naman ay picture ni Sab at saka ni David at saka ni Miss Diana. So kung nandyan si Diana na handler ni Barbie, ibig sabihin nandyan din si Barbie, kaya lang di kasama sa picture. At ito naman post ni James Licauco. Ayan na nga, naka-Fuma shoes siya at parang K-drama vibes daw siya dito. Ang cute niya, di ba? Grabe. At next naman ay ito, tag-TikTok siya kasama si Althea yata na naman to. Si Denise Althea. Oo, yung kasama niya yung isang araw. At yun na nga, saya niya. At ito na naman sila, another TikTok video. Dance or get back with your ex. Ayun. So, sumayaw sila na sumayaw. Ayan. At ito, another TikTok video of the cute and nerdy James Licauco. And guys, there you have it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more about the updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!